In a noteworthy political development, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has chosen to refrain from fielding candidates for the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections in Meghalaya. Instead, the party has opted to throw its support behind candidates endorsed by the National People's Party (NPP), demonstrating its allegiance to the National Democratic Alliance or NDA. This decision, communicated by BJP's national spokesperson Sambit Patra via social media platform Twitter or X, follows a pivotal decision-making session presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi. The ramifications of this move are significant, particularly for the 11 BJP aspirants, which include notable figures like the Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek and former MLAs who had been vying for party nominations. Tura, in particular, emerges as a focal point of attention, giving BJP sizable support base in the region. With BJP stepping aside, competitors from other political factions now see an opening to court voters in this crucial constituency. State BJP leaders have expressed their readiness to actively campaign for the NDA allies, both on the national stage and within Meghalaya's ruling coalition, the MDA 2.0 government, which includes the NPP. This decision underscores the intricate dynamics at play within Meghalaya's political landscape and sets the stage for a dynamic electoral contest with far-reaching implications.
Yesterday I got a call from our central leaders that since NPP is a part and parcel of NDA government, so naturally we have to be a part of that government, so we are supporting NPP government as directed by the central leaders. Decision of the center, that's all. Okay.
NDA leaders, they will decide it among themselves. We are the soldiers of the BJP. So whatever the center tell us, we have to abide with that.
So that doesn't mean then I'll be the state.
Whatever the decision, that is all concerned, that's all.
We are soldiers of the party. Our general and the party has decided, and we will abide by that decision. I'm sure BJP is a cadre-based party. So as loyal cadres of the party, whatever the party has decided, it has decided for good, and we will extend our support as told to us. We will wait, time will tell.
Yeah, we have to abide by the decision of the center, and we welcome the decision of the center. Yeah, I think this decision has come right from Delhi, right from PM Modi ji. So I think even our grassroots supporters will definitely support whatever our Prime Minister will tell us to do. If they'll tell us to support NPP, we are willing to support NPP.